From the world of mxgp, the Kawasaki race team and Romain Febvre have come out with a news release today saying he has an extension for the next 2 years, which is pretty good considering he hasn't raced this summer with the thumb injury. But coming back last week in Lommel and what he placed on the podium, second, something like that, placed podium. He returned to the podium in the last route in Lommel, his second race back. So that's pretty good considering all summer gone with a race with a thumb injury, and then second race back on one of the hardest tracks in the world against some of the best riders in the world. The podium, pretty good. Febvre did say, quote, "I'm delighted to continue for 2 more years with Kawasaki. We know each other very well, and I'm confident that we will again fight for the title, as we did this year until the injury, which forced me to miss several rounds. Injuries can sometimes impact your motivation, but I showed in both 2022 and this year that I can fight for wins and podiums when I come back. For sure, I might not have continued my career if I was not racing at the front of the pack, but my motivation is still there as I started racing motocross later than most of my rivals. We have signed a new 2-year agreement. For me, that is important as I want to be fully focused on racing next year. Everyone knows how comfortable I am on the KX450 SR and how I share the same goals with the team, so let's go for 2 more campaigns." Pretty good for him, considering you gotta say you don't have to worry about it, you don't have to worry about next year or the year after. You can just get back to fitness, get back to, chasing championships, and we'll see how he does. But comment down below. You guys tell me. Are you watching MXGP? Are you only a motocross, like a American motocross fan or supercross fan or something else, road racing, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me, who do you think wins the 450s, or how well Ken Roxon does on the 250, whatever. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.